Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about the various interference present in the Bluetooth technology and how to overcome it. So let's begin with the topic. Bluetooth is a wireless technology or wireless standard used for producing or implementing the personal area network. As the name indicates, personal area network requires to cover a very short range, and therefore the Bluetooth satisfied this requirement. Bluetooth typically covers a range of 10 meter up to 100 meter and provides a data transfer rate of 760 kbps, which can be maximum extended up to 1 mbps. As the Bluetooth doesn't require a line of sight, therefore it is possible to establish a Bluetooth network with Bluetooth enabled devices anywhere and at any condition. In case of Bluetooth, it operates on the frequency range of 2.4 to 2.468 GHz, which is a license-free frequency band and also called as IMS frequency band. This frequency band is basically used for the purpose of industrial application. It is used for the purpose of scientific research as well as it is used in the field of medical and healthcare. So because of which many devices operates on the same frequency range, and that causes interference of signal with the Bluetooth devices. In case of Bluetooth, it uses a frequency hope spectrum technique as a modulation technique, which uses FCH for reducing the effect of noise and interference caused by the various types of interference. In this topic, we are going to talk specifically about the various interferences in the Bluetooth technology. So let's start with it. The 2.4 GHz IMS band is a broad and free unlicensed spectrum space used in case of microwave ovens, cordless phone, remote control as well as Bluetooth and IEEE 802.11b and G devices. As discussed earlier, the Bluetooth operates on the band of 2.4 GHz. This band is a free band and it is unlicensed frequency spectrum, and therefore many household and the electronic equipments uses the same band. The household equipment includes microwave oven, the electronic equipments include cordless phone, then it includes remote controllers. Also, the IEEE 802.11b and IEEE 802.11g standard uses the same band of frequency. Therefore, all these equipments or all these standards may cause interference with each other or with the Bluetooth technology. Now, when we compare IEEE 802.11b and IEEE 802.11g with respect to a power requirement, then we know that the Bluetooth required less power as compared to these two standards. So, Bluetooth uses much less power transmission as compared to 802.11b and 802.11g. The IEEE 802.b or 11b devices may overwhelm its signal. To address this issue, the task group 2, that is TG2 within IEEE 802.15 working group has been established to improve the coexistence of the two standards. So the task group 2 basically established or basically helps for improving the interference from the other signal. Now, first interference issue occurs in the Bluetooth is nothing but the Wi-Fi coexistence. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi shared the same frequency spectrum of 2.4 GHz for a long time, which can cause this radio signal to interfere with each other. This is especially noticeable when we are on the phone call by using a Bluetooth headset and we are near to the Wi-Fi. So in that case we hear a static, and that static is because of the interference of Wi-Fi signal with the Bluetooth signals. The solution may be to turn off the Wi-Fi or of your mobile when we are talking on the Bluetooth. So this may makes the Wi-Fi connection more robust, which will make easier for the phone to time share the radio spectrum between the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi traffic. So the Wi-Fi signal and the Bluetooth technology operates on the same frequency, so therefore there will be a crossing, or we can say therefore there will be an interference between the two signals, and this happens, or this especially get noticeable when we hear a static by using a Bluetooth headphone. So the solution to this either to turn off the Wi-Fi or to move away from the Wi-Fi access point. The second type of interference occurs in the Bluetooth is nothing but the microwave oven. The electronic equipments, not only the microwave oven but all other electronic equipments, also operates on the same frequency band of 2.4 gigahertz. The magnetron used in the microwave radiates at the same frequency band. So the main source, or we can say the overcooked source of the interference, is the common microwave oven. The microwave oven uses the same 2.4 gigahertz spectrum as Bluetooth uses, but it uses a very high power signal that heats the food. Basically, the microwave oven is used for heating of food. So for producing the large amount of heat, the microwave oven requires a large amount of power. But in case of Bluetooth, as only a data communication takes place, that is also not at higher rate, therefore it requires less power for the transmission of the signal. So the large amount of power required by microwave oven for heating the food can make it difficult for Bluetooth signal to received correctly and results into the audio static or slower Bluetooth transfer of data. So that generation of heat requires large amount of power. So that results into loss of connection, or we can say that slower down the Bluetooth connection for data transfer, or we can say if we are using a Bluetooth headset, then we can hear the audio static when we are near the microwave oven, or when we are near to the same band of frequency. The best solution is to move away from the microwave oven while you are on the Bluetooth link. So the only solution to this is to either turn off the microwave oven, or if it is not possible, then just move away from the microwave oven. The next type of interference that occurs in the Bluetooth is nothing but the cross-body interference. So the Bluetooth is that the radio signals do not go through the body very well. So this is because the Bluetooth radio frequency blocked by water and the human body, which is made up of mostly it is made up of water only. So if your cell phone is in your pocket and your headset is in opposite ear, then it is not possible to make the connection, or it is may possible that the connection get weak, as the Bluetooth operates on a very low range of frequency, and therefore it is not possible to make a connection, and that causes the cross-body interference in case of Bluetooth. The next type of interference that occurs in Bluetooth is nothing but the office lighting. The fluorescent lighting in the offices can be a source of interference. So many new light actually eliminates the signal, or many new lights emits the light at the frequency of 2.4 gigahertz. So as this spectrum is used by most of the electronic devices, therefore the signals from those devices may causes interference with each other, or even with the Bluetooth signal. So the office lighting can be a cause of interference in Bluetooth, along with the Wi-Fi and other form of or other equipments. So to avoid this type of interference, the only solution is to move away from that area, or to move away from that particular equipment, so that it is possible to avoid that interference and to receive the signal, or to perform the data communication in faster way. So the interference from lightning is mostly overcome with the Bluetooth's ability to adapt and to avoid by using some interferences. This ability is limited by how well the device is designed, and also by how strong the lightning signal is. So depending upon the strength of the lightning signal, and depending upon the device manufacturer, or we can say depending upon the ability of the device to remove the noise or remove the interference, these type of interferences can be avoided. So this is what about the various type of interferences that occurs in the Bluetooth communication, which mostly include the interferences from the devices which operates on the frequency range of 2.4 gigahertz, as it is a license free and a free type of frequency spectrum. Therefore it is used in most of the industrial applications, as well as in the scientific and medical applications, due to which there may be a possibility that the equipments operate on this frequency range interfere with each other. So I hope you understand this topic of Bluetooth interferences. So thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned to Ekeeda. Subscribe Ekeeda. Thank you.